Hello everyone, how are you all? Today our topic is function in Python. So let's begin. In our previous video, we have covered variable in Python, keywords in Python, if-else condition, for and while loop, as well as we have seen some predefined functions such as print, id, range, and few more. Now we'll see how to define user-defined function in Python. For that, we'll just open a new file, new Python file. Let's suppose function. Yeah. Now, why we need function? For example, you are making a project and you need to call some set of line multiple times. Let's suppose in your project, you need to add two numbers multiple times. So what is easy for you? To write a code for adding two numbers or to call a function? Obviously function. Obviously you need to call a function rather than writing such codes for addition. So now we'll see how to define a function. So for that we need a def keyword. Def means define a function. Let's suppose our function name is hello, and how the computer will know that this is a function. For that we just need to give a normal bracket over here, so then a colon. Now we'll just print hello everyone, and in the next line we'll just print how are you all. Yeah, now we'll just run this code simply. So run function. We got nothing. Why we got nothing? This is because we haven't called a function as we used to call print function or range or id. So for that we will simply call the function. So after unindenting this code, we'll use this function hello. That's it. We'll run this code. Yeah, we got our result. Hello everyone and how are you all? Now we can use this particular set of code, that is hello world, this function, multiple times in a program. Let's see that thing. So we'll use a print function over here, and we'll print hey over here. Now again we'll call this function hello, and we'll run this code. Yeah, so we got hello everyone, how are you all? Hey, hello everyone, how are you all? And we can use this particular function multiple times in the code. So we can see hello everyone and how are you all has been printed once again. Now what if we want to add two numbers in a function? So for that we need to create a new function. So for that def add. Inside add we'll take two variables. Let's suppose one is a and the other is b. Now we'll just print a plus b. That's it. Now we have to call this function, so that this function will be, let me first clear this thing. Yeah, now we have to call this function. So we'll call add, we'll pass two int value inside this, so 12 comma 13, let's suppose. And now we'll run this code. So let's see. Yeah, we got our result, that is 25. Hey, hello everyone, how are you all? And 25. Now what if we want to store this particular 25 in a variable? Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. Let's see. We want to store this, whatever the result is, we want to store in this result variable. So here we'll not print this, we'll just return this thing. Now after this we will just print the result. That's it. Now we'll run the code. We got 25 once again. Now we can use this particular code once again. So let's suppose result 2 add function. Inside the function we will pass two int value, that is one is 50 and one is 25. So now we'll print result 2 over here. That's it. Now we'll run this code. We got, hello everyone, how are you all? 25 and 75. You all can see that we can use this add function multiple times in the program. This is how function helps us. This add function has only one single line. What if we had a function of around 1000 of line? That will definitely gonna save our time as well as optimizes the code. We'll see one another program for calculating the area of a circle. So for that, let's open a new Python file. Let's suppose circle underscore area. Yeah, now we will define a new function over here, that is def area. We want radius over here, so for that we'll take r variable and we'll return 3.14, that is the value of pi, into r, whatever the value of r is, and r once again. So pi r square is the area of a circle. So we are doing this, sorry. Now we simply have to call this function. So for that we'll print, we'll call a number area. Inside this area we'll call int because we want integer value. Inside this integer value we want an input, so we will take an input and the message will be enter the radius of a circle. That's it. And we will simply run this code. So for that, right click and run circle area. Yeah, so we'll give the radius as, let's suppose 12, and we'll press enter and we got a result. So thank you all, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.